Hi everyone, so in this video tutorial we are going to see how we can increase the performance of the queries of MongoDB. As you can see here, we have a collection which has 6 or 7 documents, so it doesn't work for this kind of scenarios, but for explaining the topic it can do the job. Anyway, the keyword is indexes. What are an index? The way the index works is like the index of a book. No, when you have a book, you need to search a page. You should search every pages. No, but now if you have an index, you have placed your index at the right page, and in one go you can find the right page. And more or less, it's how it works even here. Anyway, let's see what I mean. We can find specific employee or more than one that have, for example, an age of 28. I'm sure that there is one. We find it, and almost immediately we find it because the data set is very small. But let's see the execution stats. We can do it by using explain execution stats, and this give us some statistic about what the commands that we are running. Okay, so if I scroll down and I go here, I find that one element is returned and 6 elements has been examined. So basically the whole collection. The whole collection, it seems it has 6 people, and that's okay, but we can do better. How we can increase the performance? We create an index. So db.employee.collection.create index, and inside this index will have the age of 28. Okay, so now we have created an index. It has returned this string which represents the name of the index, and now we can run this command again. And as you can see here, we have 1 element returned, but only 1 element examined. That's a good increase of performance, of course. Okay, nice. So it seems that everything is good. Actually, indexes are not just good things. It comes with some bad side effects, because if you change the database, of course, the index remains the same. So you might encounter a situation where you change the database and then you have to go and change the indexes again. That's not good. So don't think that you have to create tons of indexes and that will create a good effects in your work. Sometimes it can be good. Do not exaggerate. Okay, so in order to see our indexes, we can go to use the getIndexes method. And we can see here that actually we have 2 indexes. The one is that we created is this one. This one is the primary index, which is like the primary key, you know, of in the SQL databases there is primary key, and this I hope you already know what it is the ID, and is an index in itself. If we want to drop an index, we can. You just need to come here and drop index. Actually, maybe singular. Okay, it's the same, and inside you have to give it the name, so age 28. Okay, and now as you can see, we have returned only 1 index. Okay, so that's all for this topic. As I said, do not get too enthusiastic using the indexes. It is a good thing to use sometimes, especially when you have, of course, a large project. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to my channel to help me with my projects, etc., etc.